Hi, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. And today we're going to talk about an amazing dam located just outside of town. As always, in the descriptive box below, there are links to various websites if you need more information, including one that'll take you out to Amazon.com that has all the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets series. I'm a dam guy. No, not the expletive type, but rather huge walls that were built to retain water on one side versus the other. We here in San Miguel de Allende are blessed to have the state's oldest functioning dam in the nearby village of Banda I tour regularly. This weekend, though, I was introduced to what is likely an equally old dam, but way more architecturally and aesthetically impressive than the nearby Allende Dam built in 1967. With all the recent rains, all of our San Miguel de Allende dams feature lovely waterfalls. Located alongside the village of San Marcos de Begonia is the dam called either Munga or Perfil, the varying according to the source material. Residents of the village prefer calling it Perfil. The dam's curtain features nearly a dozen arches made of black stone, each about 25 feet high and about 10 feet wide. On my visit, only one waterfall was present, but a quick internet search turns up images with many, many more. Several upright stones are featured near the top, see in the upper right-hand corner, giving the appearance of a nativity set. Pals viewing crush figures wanted to rename the dam Nativity Falls, which has a nice ring to it, despite being a great name for a holiday-based horror movie. The dam is not easy to find. Though the lake formed by the dam is easy to spot on Google Maps, it is literally near nothing. Residents of San Marcos de Begonia insisted it was best to access by the village on the other side, Pantoga, where our town's construction bricks are made from lake clay, straw, and dung, then baked, like you see in the upper right-hand corner. Pantoga natives insisted that San Marcos de Begonia was the more natural access point. Another option is hiking from the Friars Bridge that runs alongside the highway before you cross the mountains into Comonford. The Friars Bridge is named for the two friars killed there by the indigenous Chichimecas back when San Miguel was the first city in the Americas recognized by the King of Spain. In today's history, the friars were being killed there, or what the nearby neighborhood of Los Frailes got its name. We looked out and finally found how to reach the dam with relative ease, assuming you've an all-terrain vehicle and a strong tummy for both bumps and heights. With only one waterfall, it was easy to cross the dam to enjoy bucolic views of the mountains, the village of the goats, featuring great cave art, fields abloom with wildflowers, and the nearby larger lake. As the dam overflows into the ravine, it leads the water to the nearby lake all San Miguel de Allende residents and visitors are familiar with. I'm not sure where the dam's black stone originated, as the nearby quarries feature the pink limestone we are so familiar with on the parochia's facade. Still, I'm wildly impressed on what a feat of engineering the dam was and is. Civil protection promises the runoff from the dam presents no risk to San Miguel de Allende residents, as the water naturally flows right into the adjacent larger lake formed by the more recent dam. The waterfalls are a natural occurrence every year. As with other ancient dams in the area, any documentation or oral history on their creation are long gone. Judging by the architecture, I'd make the educated guess it was an immense project to irrigate a hacienda, likely used for livestock back in the mid-18th century. Today, the surrounding countryside is still used to feed goats, horses, and what my dog assumed were other dogs with really curly hair that barked funny, aka sheep. As always, feel free to click the subscribe now button and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they premiere here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets.